Everyone complains about daylight saving time. But if you like sunlight, it's probably making your life better. Here's how. During winter months, the sun rises later and sets earlier. During summer months, the sun rises earlier and sets later. This is what a year of sunrises and sunsets looks like in most of the continental United States. And with daylight saving time, it looks like this. During daylight saving, which started this year on March 13th and ends on November 6th, sunrise and sunset are an hour later. The total amount of daylight, of course, stays the same. There are 4,568 hours of it. To see how much of that sun you might get and how it's affected by daylight saving, let's look at a typical schedule. Here's what the year looks like if you wake up at 7:30 a.m. and go to bed any time after 9 p.m. On that schedule, you'll soak in 4,203 of the available 4,568 hours of daylight throughout the year. That's 92% of all of the available light. And it's 238 more hours of sun than you'd get without daylight saving. Which means, believe it or not, daylight saving really can save you some daylight.